guys, today I'm playing Minecraft. You will hear some of my videos I said Minecraft. What is it? Minecraft. Like that? Yeah? Now you heard that. But let's get into it. We got Stevie. So let's go. So I'm gonna make a server. I'm gonna make a server. One block. Okay. And that's my gang server. Oh no. This is Bedrock Edition. You have Java because this is Bedrock. Because in Bedrock I cannot name. You cannot see in the maps the name of the thingy. What is those colors? Those thingy that has many colors. That has an animation. I will see you. I will see you if I'm there. I will see you what is that thing. Oh, a lightning sword. Minecraft sword. Okay. I'm looking for 8. So the barrels. What is that called? It's lagging. No, it's not. Oh, it's ads. P. Where this P? What? P. What is that thing there?
Yes! He's not undercover. This thing should be common in the toilet. My words don't seem to be the same as theirs. I wouldn't be undercover. It's over. They all voted for me. Oh, so they're orange juice. I thought everyone liked to drink pee.
In WePlay, you can play many popular games such as Draw and Guess, Who's the Spy, and Mick Grab. Download WePlay now.
Ikaw lang. I'm making a video. I need English because I'm in Tagalog. I'm in Philippines. Speak English! Okay. Let's go to creative. Wait. Mini games. Okay. The difficulty is normal. Starting with a map. No bonus chest. Starting with a map. No. Bonus chest. No. Okay. Seed. Infinite. Let me just flat. Oh! It's upside down. Okay. Flat. Friendly fire and if you own the friendly fire, you can punch some people. If you mad loot. I want mad loot. Can I open it? Open. Happy season to be holy. Cha la 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 la. Da 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 da. Game test firework. No jam. Fumes? I don't know how to. Batali. La la la. As the season to be holy. Ja la ja ja ja. Ja la ja ja. Ay, yeah, bullshit. No.
Ate, alin na?
It.
Come here, Kung. Come here. Let's eat. In the name of the Father, the Son, Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for guiding us for the whole night, for keeping us safe, healthy,